Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is Andrea, your global voice, certified under the mentorship and alumna of Dr. Brown. As you can see, the beautiful crisp air, as a little chill is over here, the foliage of the leaves changing, and we're stepping into a new season. If we haven't done so already, my name is Andrea Mason, and I am your personal accountability coach. We often, so many times, are our own worst critic. What do I mean by that? All of the naysayers, non-believers, doubters, and people who have treated us poorly or with injustice kind of ruminate and resonate in our subconscious if we don't face it. And what I want to do this today for you is an exercise that I feel is beneficial. It only takes a few moments, and it really opens the opportunity, mindset, and ability to question your way of thinking. It shifts or tweaks your perspective if I do say so myself. So when you have a negative thought, as we all know, the late great Bob Proctor, thoughts become things. And whether it is positive or negative, and how much energy and focus we're putting upon it, that will turn into manifestation. Now you say, well, Andrea, I try to focus on the positive, but day in and day out, I'm challenged. I'm dealing with another failure. I'm dealing with another struggle, hiccup, mishap, or I fall short in certain areas of in my life. And the question I want you to ask yourself is, what are you focusing on? Have you come up with a strategical plan on how you vision and want to see your lifestyle? Have you looked back and faced your past and tried to connect the dots to see what is going on in your mind, in your actions, or lack thereof? For, as you know, Steve Jobs says, and paraphrased of course, if you connect the dots backwards, you'll understand and that life has put into place for you to prepare you for where you are today. I truly believe that, because I feel if I wasn't focusing on why me and what the mishaps and trauma and drama that I've went through in my life, that I wouldn't be able to connect and resonate with individuals across the world. And I wouldn't be able to feel comfortable and transparent with the experiences I've had, both positive and negative. Because it takes someone to go through something to really understand and know what the other person is feeling, whether it be through empathy, sympathy, or a different level of the emotions that that individual has incurred. Now, me, as being an adoptee, as always trying to find that missing piece of puzzle that has been in my life, always working towards regaining somebody's trust, learning how to love, learning and understanding what their intention is and their message. Is it positive? Is it negative? Or are they looking for something in return? And the more and more that I've evolutionized, if you will, in social work and psychology, was to really look at myself. How was I interpreting things? Was I personalizing things? Was I making and repeating that I was a victim, that that's all I deserved and that's all I was known to experience? And we have to be mindful of that. It's because of the thoughts in our mind, the experiences we went through, that we focus on that. So start creating a life that you want to lead. Start creating a life and taking the necessary steps, connecting with the right people, and also making sure that you're making the proper decisions that are customary to you. As I had a conversation earlier on today with somebody I'm walking on their life journey, I said, well, is this something that you want to do or you feel obligated to do? And that really put into perspective of their reasoning. So find out and start carving out what you want out of life, and start learning and understanding the necessary steps and requirements you have to get there. Be bold enough, be brave enough to say, I don't need to do this alone. I have individuals, supporters, advocates, and people in my circle, in my network, in my community that I can confide in. Because it starts with you. You believe in yourself, others will do so too. And on that note, my name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach and your global voice, the global voice, alumni under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown, reminding you in this crazy game of life, every single day, you have a choice, a right, and an obligation to press play. Now, have a wonderful day. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Hit that like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And check out Andrea Masons on How Can We Connect on andreamasons.com. And I'll see you there. Be well.